Well, hello, shell buddies, and welcome back to the channel. Just wanted to give you a little update on what things are looking like on this part of the Gulf Coast of Florida. We have made it through Idalia. She is well past us, made landfall upstate, and we have passed the high tide point now, where the water is starting to come back down. That being said, you cannot access any of the beaches because you cannot get to any of the barrier islands. The bridges to everything are closed. We had significant storm surge, especially last night and again this morning around lunchtime, and a number of bridges to all the barrier islands around us are closed. You can't get out to Lido, you can't get out to St. Armands, you can't get out to Longboat, you can't get out to Anna Maria, you can't get out to Paso Grill, you can't get out to Sunset Beach, you can't get to St. Pete, you cannot get to Fort DeSoto. So, from what little bit that we were able to see driving around, damage looks pretty minimal as far as from wind and trees down, things like that. Really not seeing any sort of major damage that way. A little bit of branches and tree leaves down, a little bit of debris on the road where the roads were topped over by water, and we cannot yet see the beaches to see how bad things actually got. I do know that the sheriff's office posted pictures this morning from Anna Maria Island with houses that looked like they had about 4 feet of water in them, and that water rescues were taking place above Tampa Bay this morning. So I don't think I'm going to be shelling tomorrow unless they reopen the beaches. The governor said there's 1,000 bridges that need to be looked at before they go ahead and say, yes, everything is all right. I mean, we're talking the Skyway Bridge got closed. The Courtney Campbell Bridge got closed. The Howard Franklin Bridge got closed. And we actually saw the storm surge topping over half of the Howard Franklin Bridge on camera this morning. So, Gulf is still churned up. In Sarasota, the water level was a good 3 feet above where it belonged. We had some docks underwater and a few things like that. Overall, nowhere near as bad as it could have been. Nowhere near as bad as it was upstate. And hopefully, within a few days, we'll get things pretty much back to normal around here. Thanks for checking back in, and I'll update you again soon. Take care and stay safe.